Here's a quick video to show you how to bypass the cleaning lockout on a Taylor 340-27D frozen drink machine. We're going to come here to the left of the machine where I've already removed this panel. And then here is the electrical panel. So I'm going to remove that. That's with the 4 screws. Now let's look all the way up here into the left-hand corner of this gizmo here. See, way up here. Do you see this guy here? That's on the 1-2 jumper. This is the 3-4 jumper, and that's the one you want to remove. So you need tweezers or needle nose or something to reach that. It happens that I already have one, 2 removed over here, so maybe I can show you better on those. These are older style, but either way, make sure you get the 3-4 on yours. Here it is, the upper left-hand corner. This one's already been removed, 3-4 right there. This one has also already been removed, 3-4. You can just pluck it right out there. Okay. And put it right back. That's all you got to do. And then it won't lock out every 4 days like it has before. Like it comes from the factory that way generally. But this will bypass it. Good luck.